Here in Dogtown, dogs use bone money to trade. Sometimes it's paper bone. Sometimes it's digital bone money in the bank. Banker dog and government dog create those bones. As long as they don't create too many, life feels fine. But sometimes more bones are created than new dog houses or snacks. More bones chasing the same stuff leads to each bone buys less. That feeling has a name: inflation. Your savings shrink even if you did nothing wrong. Digital bone money lives inside big bank computers. Banks can say wait, banks can say fee, banks can say no. You must trust them to keep promises and protect your bones. One day, a new idea arrived. BitBone. No single dog makes it. No single office controls it. It runs by open rules that any dog can read. BitBone keeps a public list of all bone moves. Think of a giant big bone book. Every page shows who sent BitBones to whom. Copies of this book are held by many watchdogs around the world. Bruno wants to send 3 BitBones to Luna. He announces the move to the watchdogs. They check. Does Bruno have at least 3? If yes, the move waits to be written on the next page of the book. Digger dogs compete to add that next page, called a block. They burn real effort and energy to win the right to write it. They run loud, hungry computers all day, solving math puzzles that are hard to chew but easy to check once finished. Each puzzle needs electricity, fans, and patience, like thousands of dogs digging at the same time, hoping to find one golden bone. The first dog to solve it adds the block, earns new BitBones, and collects small fees. All the others stop, check the result, and start digging the next hole. This constant effort makes cheating expensive and honest recording strong. Paper bones can be made in huge piles. Digital bones on bank app can be created out of thin air. BitBone is different. The rules cap it at 21 million. Over time, the reward for new BitBones shrinks in half. Dogs call this the halving. Less new supply, same rules, predictable. Every page in the book is locked by real work, math puzzles, energy, and time. Once a page is written, it can't be changed without redoing all that work again. Thousands of digger dogs keep digging together, checking and agreeing on every new page. The more dogs that join, the harder it becomes to cheat. That's what makes the Big Bone Book so secure. It's protected by effort, not by trust. There is no BitBone headquarters. Thousands of watchdogs keep copies of the book. If one goes to sleep, others keep working. If one barks nonsense, others ignore it. This is called decentralization. To hold BitBones, you use a wallet. A wallet is really just 2 keys: a public key, your bone address, and a private key, your secret code. You can share the public key. It's how others send bones to you. Never share the private key. It's the only way to control your bones. If you lose your private key, your bones are gone forever. Simple rule, serious consequence. Some dogs leave their bones on a big bone exchange, the place that holds bones for many dogs. It's easy but risky. If the bone exchange freezes, shuts down, or gets attacked, your bones can disappear. Self-custody means you hold your own key. More responsibility, but full control. BitBone price moves a lot. Up fast, down fast. Why? New idea, small pool, big feelings. News, rumors, supply cuts, and demand surges all matter. This video is not financial advice. Walk carefully. When a dog sends BitBones, it has to pay a small fee so the transaction can be written into the big book. A new page of the book is added about every 10 minutes. If many dogs try to send bones at the same time, space on the next page gets crowded, so the fee increases. To send bones faster and cheaper, dogs can use Layer 2 bone paths. These paths process many small transactions quickly, then later bundle them together and settle everything on the main big book. Mining uses energy. That is true. But the energy buys something. Strong, open, neutral money rules. More miners chase cheap power, waste gas, wind, or solar scraps. The goal? High security, lower waste, better sources over time. Some dogs live where paper bones lose value quickly. Some need to send bones across borders without asking 5 offices for permission. Some want savings that follow clear, fixed rules. BitBone helps in these cases. Not perfect, but useful. If you're learning something new, toss a like and sub. It helps more dogs sniff out the truth. It's not a company. It's not a stock. It's not a quick-get-rich chew toy. It's a network plus a rulebook, open to all, with scarce digital bones inside. If you share your private code, your bones are gone. If you lose your backup, the recovery words, your bones are gone. Scammers will bark sweet things. Ignore them. Only you can guard your bones. There is no hotline to undo a mistake. Dogs can earn BitBone by doing work and getting paid in it. Or they could buy some at a big bone exchange. Or mine it if you really know how to dig. Start small. Learn first. Practice sending tiny bites before big ones. BitBone is public by default. Anyone can see addresses and amounts on the Big Bone Book. Addresses aren't real names, but if someone studies your patterns long enough, they might figure out who the bones belong to. Good pups learn basic privacy hygiene before they howl. Government dog has laws. Some places welcome BitBone. Some places do not. Be a law-abiding dog. Use BitBone responsibly and learn your local rules. Gold bone, rare like real gold, but heavy, inconvenient, and easy for big dogs to control. Paper bone, light and convenient, but can be printed endlessly. Bank digital bone, very convenient, but banker dogs and government dogs can freeze, block, or inflate it. BitBone, scarce and open. Not the most convenient yet, but no one can stop it. And you hold all the risk. Different tools, different trade-offs. Money is a story dogs believe. Too many bones equals each bone buys less. BitBone offers rules no single dog controls. Digger dogs secure the Big Bone Book with energy and effort. Supply is capped, having slow new bones. You can hold your own keys, but then you are the guard. Fees and speed vary. Layers help. Price wiggles. Learn before you leap. Pick a simple wallet from a trusted maker. Write down your secret recovery code on paper. Hide that paper well. Do a tiny test send. Only then consider more bones. Paper bone, digital bone money, and BitBone may live together. For saving, some dogs may choose BitBone. For daily snacks, layers may handle quick bites. Time will show what dogs prefer. In Dogtown, money is just bones with rules. BitBone's rules are open, scarce, and shared by all watchdogs. It's not magic, it's math plus incentives. If that fits your life, learn more If not, that's okay too. Be safe, guard your keys, and may your bones of any kind hold their value. Like, subscribe, and share with a friend who loves good bones.